Really? My name is Maxim. My name is Maxim. I like to pose for the camera. What are you guys doing? Hi. Are you doing arm exercises? Hi. What else can you tell me? What's your name? Maxim, that's right. Maxim it is. Yeah. Let's see if I can get the full shot. Yeah. What else can you tell me? What else can you tell me? Hi. Hi, love bug. I love you. I love you. I love you. Oh. Oh yeah, good head control. Good head control. Oh. We're doing the bulldozer. We're doing the bulldozer.
He's locked on your camera now.
Okay. Yeah. Boring camera? Is the Yeah, is it boring? But you like Daddy's kisses, don't you? Yeah, you like Daddy's kisses. Who's kissing you? Who's kissing you? Yeah. Yeah, I know. Love Daddy. Oh, you love Daddy. I know. I do too. Who wouldn't love him? Yeah. 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 What else? Are you hungry? Ooh, what's on the menu today? Yoshka milkshake? Mmm.
Ooh, stinky toes.
Hey, Daddy, smell your own.
Smelly toes.
Smell your own.
Smelly toes.
Right, Max? Say,
Smelly
smell
toes.
your own toes and then talk to me about it. Yeah. Oh, that's right. That's right. I'm a man. I gotta have some odor to me. Right? I'm a man. Ah.
Cutie pie.